Good afternoon to my STEM students. So this time we will talk about photosynthesis. So this is my output for the topic photosynthesis. I know you already tackle about this one and have a reporting about this one, but I would just like to clarify some topics. Okay? So if you eat a salad, where did the energy in those leaves come from? Nasagi binasa inyo utok, diin ayan halin. So from the title, plants storing light into life. And then ara pagadray hint na gisote. It's older than you think and comes from 150 million kilometer away. So nano yan ang answer? Of course, it is the light. Tanan source of energy comes from the sunlight. 'Di ba ang sunlight or ang energy kay dili mi na siya maibanan. Energy is conserved. However, kung i-transfer na siya, igo lang siya ma-convert, dili siya maibanan. For example, kung solar energy, aton siya gamiton into our solar panels, mahimo ba or mawa ba si solar energy? No, because solar energy is just converted into sometimes electrical or most commonly electrical energy. Alright, so what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria use light energy from the sun to create or I mean to convert carbon dioxide and water into a glucose or a sugar and oxygen. So diri pa lang daan ara na kita sa introduction or background that in order to have photosynthesis, we should have first carbon dioxide and then next we have water to turn into the product which is the glucose and the oxygen. So according to Garlin, when she reported this one, glucose and oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis. So this is the photosynthesis equation. Take note of this. So I've said earlier, in order for photosynthesis to happen, we should have a reactant, which is carbon dioxide and water. So for this one, pila man siya ka carbon dioxide ang kinahanglan? 6 carbon dioxide and also 6 H2O or water. So for this one, plus light. So in order for photosynthesis to occur, kay dapat ara gayud present si light. And then as a product, amo ni siya ang chemical or molecular equation ni glucose, C6H12O6. Remember of that. So for this one, after kuno mag-react na si carbon, si water, and si light, kay makakonvert siya sang glucose plus oxygen. So that is why ang balihini nga, ang binuga sang mga plants is naman nga air, oxygen. Because the photosynthesis equation, 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light converted into glucose plus water. And this shows how plants use sunlight to transform carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil into glucose, a sugar that stores chemical energy, and oxygen, which is released as a byproduct. So atong sulti pa ni Garling nga kilig-kilig kuno gikilig kuno kay gibalas na dayon amo na din ang water, but no, water from the soil. Inang literal nga tubig na imo gi bubo.